Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup for diabetic patients. We will focus on creating a delicious and healthy meal that supports blood sugar management. This guide will help you select the best ingredients and cooking methods. You'll learn to prepare a satisfying soup that is both nutritious and flavorful. We'll cover everything from vegetable choices to seasoning tips, ensuring your soup is perfect. Choosing the right ingredients is crucial for a diabetic-friendly soup. Prioritize non-starchy vegetables, which are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber. Think about adding lean proteins like chicken or beans to make your soup more filling. Always select low-sodium broth to control your salt intake. A small amount of healthy fat, like 1 tablespoon of olive oil, can enhance flavor without compromising health. Preparing your soup is straightforward and enjoyable. Begin by washing and chopping all your chosen vegetables into consistent, bite-sized pieces. Next, gently sauté aromatics like 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until fragrant. Then, add 4 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth and your harder vegetables, simmering for about 15 minutes. Finally, stir in softer vegetables and your lean protein, cooking until tender. Elevating your soup's flavor is easy with the right seasonings. Use a variety of herbs and spices such as 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, and a pinch of black pepper. Steer clear of high-sodium seasoning blends and any sugary additions. For a complete meal, serve your delicious soup with a small, whole-grain roll. Leftovers store well in an airtight container for up to 3 days, making meal prep simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.